just wanted to let you know that I'm going to start going live on YouTube every single Friday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm super nervous, but really super excited about going live. The last time I tried to do a live, it did not go so well, and that's when I was living in the States. So I'm really nervous about doing it here in Belize, but fingers crossed it's all gonna go well. And that other live was on Instagram. I don't know if that matters one way or the other, but that is what I'm gonna start doing, going live every Friday. I already have my first live all planned out. I'm going to be doing a series about repairing certain items in your wardrobe. I've got some shoes that need repair, some bags that need repair. And so I'm going to be going live and doing my repairs with you guys. And I hope that you will join me. That's it, everyone. Going live on YouTube every Friday evening, starting this coming Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look forward to seeing you guys there and also to my next video. And until next time, you better believe it. Bye.